Okay, this is a nice fish Larry's got here. He's got something close to 20 here probably. Okay, now you reel down 2 in, reel down 2 in. Okay, and you're going to easily, I'm not ready yet. Okay, you're going to lift right over my head when I tell you to. Okay, nice and easy, lift over my head. Check that out. Is that a sweet fish or what?
That's a fish, all right. It's a monster.
Good job. We waited him out, but we got him.
That's what it takes. Oh my God. It does. You did perfect, man. Oh yeah, Larry, you did it this time.
Oh, that's a heft.
That's a big girl there, huh? Is that sweet?
Look at that beauty.
Oh, that's sweet. Man, I might have got you a little tight on that drag. Oh my, you are beautiful. You are absolutely stunning. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, you had him hooked so good, Larry.
That's a ginger boy.
You had him hooked so good.
Yeah, they hooked themselves.
Oh, I mean, this guy has got he's got the top hook in the top of his bone,
Yeah.
and the other hook's in the side right there.
And he was.
Gonna keep him?
Yeah. Oh, keep him. What do you mean keep him?
Well, we used to release a lot of these. We really did.
I'm wondering whether to have him out. Depends on how big he is.
Yeah, I don't think he quite gets 20, but he's pretty close. He's pretty close.
He's chunky, but he's not that long.
Don't worry, Larry. One of these years we're gonna get you a 25, and that's when you're gonna mount. You've already got your 20 on the wall. You're 18 something, right?
18, yeah.
Yeah, your next goal is a little bigger. Of course, you get one on the boat that's 23 or so, you're going to be thinking about it.
Oh, yeah.
But then, good thing you got your own office.
Yeah, that's a fish. That fish.
Good job.
I gotta get my camera out.
Good job. Well, you know what? Let's not get too excited. That fish is tired, he's going to rest, and we got to get back to work.
Man!
Congratulations, Larry. That's a
Hey.
nice fish.
Good
This
job,
is
yeah.
about a 20-pound rainbow right here.
Yeah, he's a good.
Just about 20 pounds.
Yeah.
A little bit to hold on to, huh?
Yeah, quite a bit for a long picture session here.
All right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's good.